I want to dive into how you can use Google Business Listing to market your event planning business and double the amount of traffic to your website. I'm going to walk you through 4 simple steps to take advantage of Google's free business listing. Now, Google's business listing, as I said, is free, and the fact that so many event planners are not taking advantage of this is definitely at a disadvantage. So here's what I want you to do. The first thing I want you to do is go to search Google Business Listing, see if your business is already listed and claim your business. If not, I want you to go ahead and set something up right away. The second thing about Google Business Listing is that you can manage how customers see you. That means you have an opportunity to list your business information, to add photos, to add your business hours, to link your website, add your phone number, and drop your location so they can see you on Google Maps. And this is amazing for when customers are searching for a local planner, because when they do that search, you immediately pop up on Google Maps, and the closer you are to them, the better. Because if you are within proximity, you will be a recommendation to them from Google. And I don't know about you, but Google is one of the biggest search engines right now. And if you can get listed there for free, I don't understand why you're not doing it. Now, the third thing I want you to do once you have your Google Business Listing is to ensure that you're updating your information. So if your business hours are changing, also update this on Google Business Listing. If your website has changed, I want you to update this. Keep your website or your information on the listing up to date so that customers can always find you and that you control how they view your business. Now, step number 4, what I want you to do is I want you to turn your photos into sales. The Google Business Listing is free and it's amazing. We've already established that. But what I want you to do next is I want you to not just to use your image or your logo, but rather to use photos from your events in the listing. Use these to give customer a better idea of what it is that you can do and what you can help them do for their events. This way, when they come to your website, they will already be warmed up and ready to place a booking. So post your most beautiful photos, give your examples from previous events that customers really enjoyed. You can also have an opportunity for customers to place reviews and feedback right on your listing. So use those 4 tips to ensure that you're getting the most out of Google Business Listing. And if you haven't already, please be sure to download my list of 147 websites to advertise your event planning business, as this is a great way to increase exposure for your business, double your traffic, and increase your sales.